we're going to bolt some engine mounts onto this engine. They're already sitting in place. There is a left and a right. They have a big L on them. That's the left-hand one. And there's a big R on the other side. That's a right-hand one. And stand behind the engine when you're working out right and left, not in front. It's as if you were in the driver's seat. Bolts look like this. We probably should measure it. 30. So it's a 30mm long with a flanged head on it. All 8 of them are the same bolt. Now the mounts between an SC400 or a Sora and a LS400 are different. The offset like this is different. So the right hand one has an earth strap. I haven't taken that earth strap off. Next, we need to put the rubbers on there. Got some brand new rubber here. So pop the keeper. This one's designed for if it breaks, it will capture the mount. Heat shield over the top. And these are same left and right. And into place. The big 17mm head nut onto there. And the same on this side. And we do those nuts up.